Hey everybody, so if you guys want to see another smoothie video, please stay tuned. Hey everybody, so here is another inspired smoothie that I want to introduce to y'all that I am doing, and that I did make this yesterday. And this is, I saw this on Magda here on YouTube, and she's definitely an inspiration to me. As you guys can see, I'm always mentioning her and things that I saw on most of the time. But yes, so I'm going to do a smoothie, and I'm also going to incorporate, I'm going to do two this time. So basically I am going to do two, okay, in the mason jars. I did purchase the mason jars from Family Dollar, and the items that you will need for this is I have the seamoss gel that I purchased from my local health store here in my town. I have some oat milk that I purchased from it's low fat and it's 100% vegan. I did purchase this from ShopRite. I also have some ginger root that is already in there. I'm just showing you guys. I did wash this as well. Also, I have the frozen pineapples, and I have the spinach and the blueberries. This was washed prior to filming, and this is the baby spinach that I use, and this is the blueberries that I used, okay? And then this is the banana that I'm going to use, and also the pineapples that I use, the frozen pineapples from Super Fresh, okay? All right, and then I'll also be using some cubes, as you guys can see here. I'm going to release the top off of here so we can dig right into it when it's time. Okay, and that's just basically it about that, okay? All right, so now we're basically going to undo the banana. All right, so now we have the banana undone. Now we are going to place the oat milk. So now I'm going to pour the oat milk into the, I shook it up already, so let's shake it up again on camera. I'm going to pour some of the oat milk, so hold on. Okay, so I'm only going to pour that much here, okay, and I'm going to do the same thing to this because that's the amount that I want to apply in there, okay? So that's about the same as well, all right? So I'm going to close this up so we won't make a mess, all right? And that's just basically about that. All right, so now we're going to break up the banana, and we're going to place it there too, so when it's time, okay? And to let you guys know, I am not a physician, so please consult your physician prior to doing this. So that is the disclaimer, because, you know, maybe you may have some type of, you know, diabetes or something that may interfere. So please be sure, because bananas are sweet and pineapples as well, okay? So I'm going to apply all of the items to the top of the, oh Lord, I'm spilling everything. Now we're going to apply all the items to the blender. I had the blade in there this time. Last time I didn't have it in there. All right, these are the ginger slices. Oh, okay. Here, these are the ginger slices here, as you guys can see. All right, I'm gonna make sure there's no skin. Okay. All right, so we put the pineapples. Might as well just dump the whole thing. I did like about 3 ginger slices, as you got 4 ginger slices. Okay, as you guys can see. I think I see a piece of skin. Take that off. Okay. I didn't want any skin in there. All right, I did put a lot of spinach because I'm making more than one this time, and that's basically about that. And I try not to make it as sweet, because I'm making not one for my mom, but she just wanted to taste it a little bit. So we're gonna pour the oat milk, and we're gonna pour the other oat milk, and I'm gonna rinse these out so they won't have the oat milk in there. And then we're gonna take the seamoss, and we're gonna apply 2 scoops with the spoon, since we're making 2. So this is what it's looking like here, as you guys can see. Oh gosh, okay. All right, I don't think it okay, 2, okay. All right, so you guys could see what it looks like up close, as you guys could see. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Okay. All right, so you guys saw that. Okay. And I put it back there. All All right, so we make sure that we have all our items in here, and once we once we know that we have everything in there, then we're going to blend, and then I'm going to wash the cups after. I'm gonna show you guys me blending it, and then I'm going to wash the cups. I'm gonna take the sound off this time because I know it's probably a lot. You probably got earbuds on, so I apologize about that. So I'm going to put this on. Sometimes this be hard to put on because oh, okay. Well, that was easy. Okay. All right, so oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. I forgot to put in some ice cubes. And they're melting over here, too. I'm melting. I'm just going to put a couple. That's all. One. Just to make a little slush, too. That's all. We don't need that many. All right. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to blend everything up, okay? So I'm going to show you guys up close what I'm going to blend. I'm going to blend it on. I'm going to turn it on. And then I'm going to press frozen drinks and smoothies. Probably can't see it because it's too much of a glare. But there we go. I'm going to press that. Okay, so it is done, and now we're gonna turn it off. If you need to blend it more, go ahead if you don't think it's blended enough. But I just do it one time, but if you feel as though you need to do it again, please do so. As you guys can see, it's very green because I put a lot of spinach in it, but that's what I want, a green smoothie. Now we're going to take this, and we're not gonna overflow last time, so we're just gonna take our time and pour it in. Okay, as you guys can see. Take our time. There we go. Hopefully we have enough for the other one. If not, I'll just make some more. And we don't have that much. So I'll just make some more. So, yeah. I need to put some more. All right. So, there we are. Okay. And I'm probably going to make some more. So let's see, since we already got that, let's try and make some more. I'm going to make some more and I will be back. But for right now, let's take a sip. Bon appetit. And there it is. It's pretty good. It's sweet. You taste the banana a lot. Let's see what else you taste. You taste some of the pineapples, but you taste the banana a lot. So if you're not really into bananas, just put a half a banana in there, but you do taste it a lot. The spinach you don't taste as much, but I have a stronger sense of the banana in there. So that's just basically about that. All right, so off camera, I'm going to put some more in here, probably some more spinach, probably like a little bit of sea moss, some more blueberries, and then oat milk. So I could just pour some more in there because I thought I underestimated myself. So I need to put some more in there, but that's okay. But this is good for today. Remember let me close it so nothing can get in it. All right, so remember that you have to drink this 30 minutes, within the time frame that you made it, because it can lose its value, nutritional value if you drink it 30 minutes after. Now you're probably like, well, what about this one? Well, you have to freeze this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to freeze this. Once I make the rest of the ingredients for this, I'm going to freeze this and then have it for tomorrow. So when you freeze it, you have a better chance of saving the nutrients that you need for the smoothie, and have the full benefits or what have you. If you just put it in the refrigerator, it's not going to preserve it. So putting it in the freezer will be a good thing. So this is for tomorrow, and then I'll be probably making some the next day or whatever the case is. I should have made enough for a few days, but I just did it for tomorrow, and this is for today. So that's just basically about that. So this is what it is, you guys, and I will be back to show you guys that I did that I did you know, fill this up. But you guys know I'm not gonna come back, but I will make some more so I can you know, whatever the case is. But I will freeze this, and yeah, that's it. So I will be back, you guys. I will talk to you guys later. This is it. I'm going to keep this open because I'm going to go back in and put a little bit more ingredients and put a little bit of sea moss and stuff like that so I can apply to this one. And that's just basically about that. So yeah, that's my fault. I should have made more you know, I underestimated myself, but you learn. So that's basically about that. So yes, so I will be back, you guys. I'm going to make some more. I'm not be back. I will talk to you guys later. If you guys like this, please definitely go check out Magda Seville. She is here on YouTube. She's definitely an inspiration, and she definitely does wonderful things here on YouTube as far as fitness and everything else. So I just want to bring also a healthier side to my channel because it's very important. And to those of you out there that do probably have certain type of ailments or illnesses that can help with this, but I am not a doctor, so please consult your primary doctor prior to doing this if you have any type of concerns, because I am not a physician. And you know, make sure that these will be safe while you are on any type of medication, or will this be good for the type of illness that you have. But I'm pretty sure this is safe because it's very, you know, natural ingredients and things of that sort. But just to be on the safe side, I will consult my physician or whatever the case is if you have these type of ailments or illnesses. All right, so that's basically about that, you guys. All right, I'm out of here. I will talk to you guys later. If you need to omit anything like banana, if you don't like banana, or if it's too much or too sugary or sweet, just let you know it is kind of sweet. So if you want to put like a half a banana and probably save, I don't know how you're gonna save the other half, but I mean, you know. But I'm gonna start putting half a banana because it tastes banana-y. Banana-y. I don't know if that's not a word, but yeah. So yeah, so let me get out of here. I'm just sitting here talking. But yeah, so that's one of the recipes here, and I did get it from Magda Seville here on YouTube. So I'll put her video and everything down below, and you guys could definitely go check her out and follow her recipes because they are very healthy and very important to a healthy lifestyle. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Be safe out there, and continue to wash your hands, wash your body, and things of that sort, and make sure that you are being safe for yourself and as well as others and your family members and things of that sort. All right, I'm out of here, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all so much, and I will put all the ingredients down in the description bar below and her channel down below as well, and you can follow her and see what she does. Okay, I'm done, you guys. Thumbs up the video for more videos like this. Like the video, subscribe, share, do what you gotta do, and that's just basically about that. All right, Candy, watching. Peace, bye.